Ladies and gentlemen, we have received alarming news that is difficult to believe concerning the aircraft carrying Cabinet Secretary Geoffrey Ruku under Ruto's administration. A minister in William Ruto's government, as he was traveling to the Igembe area in Meru County today on Saturday. Let me show you what happened when the aircraft approached its destination. The helicopter was unable to land immediately, forcing the pilot to circle in the air several times while looking for a safe way to land on the ground and ensure the safety of everyone on board. Watch this video to see what happened, and don't forget to like this content please, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Here is a video clip. works. Alishindwa kutua, ikabidi azunguke mizunguko mingi hewani, kumaanisha kulikuwa na kahintilafu. After making several attempts and circling the area multiple times, the pilot finally managed to land the helicopter safely. As soon as it touched down, cheers erupted, shangwe na vigelegele, as everyone on board, wakatoka kwa ndege safely without any injuries. This incident also brings back remarks previously made by former impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua regarding leaders traveling by air. At the time, Gachagua warned that flying can be risky and said that no one knows what the future holds. Let us listen to what Rigathi Gachagua said before.
Na imwana icio ciuma ha cietagwo Asfuna nitukuruta wira nao niguo. Yes, na nindamwira atige guthira ndege, ndamukania athiagire guku thi ta ithui mwicirie njue ni ndege tutangihota kugura tuge ucuhurwo kuma iguru ka tutigucuhurwo. Ndamwira mwanake ucio ndamutara, ndamwira tuthu mwanake munini.
That is Rigathi Gachagua. It is worthy noting that this is the same Cabinet Secretary who previously said he and the current Deputy President Prof Kithure Kindiki are willing, or rather would be willing, to join ODM political party, which joined UDA to form the so-called broad-based government, and leave UDA if doing so would enable Ruto to nominate, or rather appoint, Kindiki as his running mate for the next general elections 2027 under the ODM party. We are happy because nothing happened, but we saw the helicopter inazunguka mara kadhaa hewani, kumaanisha kulikuwa na kahintilafu. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Let's meet in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing by smashing the subscribe button that is down here. Once you are done, remember to turn on the notification bell so that the moment we upload any new video clip, you'll be notified automatically that Mwana Kenya Media uploaded a new video clip to watch. This is the only channel you can trust. We don't sugarcoat, but we always put news as it is. Please, you can also share our links to other WhatsApp groups and even on Facebook. That is the only way we can continue building this channel of ours, Mwana Kenya Media. Be blessed, ladies and gentlemen. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.